This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Java. So I'm right here on the main Java download page. You can find it at java.com/download. Now it's fairly long URL there. I've just shortened it as I've said it, but I will include that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, depending on what machine you have, what operating system, we have lots of different flavors here for downloading Java. We have the Windows version right here, so there's a few different options, even the 64-bit version there. Then we have a Mac OS version, which is the machine that I am on, and we also have a Linux version and a Solaris version. So for this, I'm going to go with the Mac version. So you can pick your poison here, obviously, and choose the one that applies to you. I will click on this one right here, and just like that, you see the icon has floated up and has downloaded to the downloads folder. Now I'm on Google Chrome, so the files and folders go straight to my Mac downloads folder. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer right there. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Java useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.